Welcome to Rajasasela Holistics. Today I am doing a Celtic cross session for Pisces. How this week will be to you. The first card for your general energy and what crosses it. The reason for you in the past, your recent past, your recent future, what you can do, your inner feelings, your environment, your fears and hopes, and the final outcome. The first card for you denoting your general energy is Hierophant again. This card says that you are a person with high caliber and you can't let go things just for the sake of anyone. You want it to be done in a balanced and systematic way. No matter what, however the things are, you won't let off the things which are not or which are lesser than the necessary one. So that are the energies. What crosses it is the Strength card. The Strength card says that the energies are really very good. It is encouraging that you can make the things go well. You have to calculate more and more the inner strength. What may ever be the challenges the world is going to put upon you, you have the energy from the universe to carry on the inner strength. You have your capacity of tackling the things with a justified manner. So that is the energies there. The past card says that whatever issues you have running, it is because of King of Pentacles. You have taken a decision which was appropriate for you at that moment. Maybe you have got some criticism at that time, but you went ahead because your heart said and your intuition said, or you had the justified points in your kitty that I am doing it for this sake, I am right, because you are a person who goes more by mind rather than heart. The recent past Queen of Swords, this card says, the heavy cards you are getting, this card says that someone on whom you have given a verdict or you have decided a matter pertaining to that, some woman has come up with an issue with you, questioning you or criticizing you for being very. Someone has questioned you that you have done with some prejudice and with your own intention. You were not fair enough. They had faced some issues because of you, or some other similar type of blames on you that they have not been justified because of you. And it has, because the Queen of Swords, the air card, the element of air card, it says that it has little bit tarnished your image also in your society. Lot of gossiping going behind you because of this issue. And two of wands in the future, it denotes that you will do your best, but you will not be satisfied because you will not have much options to do, because the options would have been very limited at the time when you took the decision. So you couldn't make it better, so things are not that good for you, so you are stuck up in such a situation. That is this card. So this energy will prevail for the coming through 3 months from now. You can't make better changes, and what the best you can do for is 8 of Swords energy says there is no much to do. You have to improve your strength and make yourself tell that you have justified the issue rather than gushing it up or giving some answer to someone, or you won't get any answers to justify yourself, or you can't tell others that you were right. In this situation, it's better that you keep quiet and let the things take its own course of time. Your inner heart says judgment that one day will come that I will be proven right. Such feelings you are getting in your heart that I am right, the whole world is wrong, and the universe will make them know what I am and what I did was the perfect one. Such type of feeling you are getting. But what others see in you, they see that you are a very self-centered person and you have given the verdict or taken the decision for your own welfare and nothing else. So that are the energies from others. Your fears and hopes are you have done the job best and now you have left it to the universe to take its own course so that things can settle up nicely. So what is the final outcome? Final outcome is Four of Cups. It says that even though things will materialize and people can come up to you for reconciliation, you may not take up the issue because you have a fixed type of mindset that what you have done is the correct thing. You won't go for something inferior, so you will stick on to it. And what are your values and what all your limitations and what you want and for what you have done this thing to uplift a justified thing, you will stick on to it and you will brightly shine at that point also. That is the outcome, guys. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.